pops off like that. Oh my gosh, guys. I might have got the one I want. Hey guys, today I'm unboxing an LOL surprise doll. So what these are is they are collectible dolls that come in these surprise boxes. They come in different series, so this is part of their Hairgoals series, and it's a doll that comes with 15 different surprise items, including the doll, so you don't know which doll you're gonna get, and that's where they get you because you want to collect all of them. So this series has 12 different dolls. Let's hope I don't get any duplicates this time, but just look at this packaging. It is so cute. Look at this little zipper here, and that's where you unzip it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh! Yay, it's a hairspray bottle. Of course, it doesn't actually work, but that's still super cute. Let's open this up. This is a little handle. So the cool thing about the cases that they come in is they also are little carrying cases for the dolls. Let's pop this open. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, so this is the doll. I don't know what's in there yet. Let's save her for last. This tells you all the type of dolls there are, as you can see. Ah, so excited. Okay, I'm like a big kid right now. Okay, let's start with the small items. So these are little curling hair curlers. Just pops off like that. Oh my gosh, guys. I might have got the one I wanted. So guys, I just opened it up and there's this cute little bottle. I love that it's translucent, so you actually can fill it up with water. I open another hair curler. There's a cute little hair brush here. So let's just put these over here on the stand. Oh gosh, I think I got the one I wanted. I'm so excited. Oh, yes! This is a little outfit. It's a little cat outfit. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cute. This is so cute. Let's just leave that on the little plastic body there. Guys, you don't know how exciting this is. Oh! So as you notice, there's lots of packaging. So here are, it looks like little arm warmers, wrist warmers. Let's put that over there. What other packages do we have? This one. I'm like a little child, guys. Little pink shoes. Put that over there. Okay, this is empty. I don't know how many packages I've opened already, but oh. A little gold blingy necklace. Oh, more goodies. This is a little stand, I think. This is her. So she has little like silicone body covering and a mask that's covering her face. Guys, I'm so excited. I wanted her because she has purple hair and little silvery fishnets. Look at that, it's dark purple and light purple hair, and they're in cute little buns. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh. Guys, I got the one that I want. Oh, their legs are supposed to bend. There we go. There we go. And these are color changing, so if you put them in water, her outfit actually changes color. So I'm gonna go grab some cold water and let's see what that looks like. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that! So her little outfit changed. She has on little jean shorts. Oh, it's quickly going away. And like a little bikini top. So cute. Okay. That is so cute. Look at the booty on that thing. So cute. Okay. Okay, I'll warm it up and see. When you warm it up, it's back to her little white outfit. And so she drinks water. Let's see. Let's see. This is her water bottle. Let's fill it up. And yeah, they actually drink out of their bottle of water. Let's put her little outfit on. It's like a little cat suit. Yeah! How cute is that? Guys, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna be obsessed with this. And then she's got her little wristband cuffs, her sweatbands for her wrist. Girl. She's got a little necklace, her bling bling necklace, her little dancing shoes. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with her. And of course you can brush her hair. I don't want to open up her little buns because they're so cute. I think this is for her to stand on. Yep. And she'll stand on her little podium like this. This is my first ever LOL surprise doll. I absolutely love her. She's exactly the one I want. I can't believe I got so lucky. Obsessed, okay?